Good morning, everybody. Gordon Treadgold, Global Gurus, top 10 leadership expert and speaker. And today I want to talk about why so many good managers fail to make great leaders. And for me, there are three reasons for this. The first is control. You know, we talk about in management needing to control the situation, controlling the progress, controlling the teams, but really control is an illusion. And the more we try to take hold of control, the less of it we're actually going to have. For me, control is an illusion. The people at the decision making at the sharp end of the work are always going to be able to make spot decisions and have control. And it's best for us to actually delegate the control to them, because when we do that, it's going to make them feel more accountable and it's going to empower them. So you've got to let go of the control and give that to your teams in order to empower them. The second reason why good managers fail to make good leaders is that we often get into a good management position because of our expertise, but we need to give up that need to be the expert, to be the person who has to be the one that provides all the right answers, who knows the solution to everything. And we've got to get the best answers from our teams. We've got to give up that need to be the hero, because when we do that and we get the answers from our teams, it's going to make them feel valued, it's going to make them feel involved, and this is going to drive their commitment levels. And we really need to have teams that are involved and committed if we're going to deliver the best results. And then lastly, it's about the emotional side of leading people. You manage things, you lead people, and people are emotional beings, and we need to connect with them on an emotional level. We need to connect our goals and targets to them on an emotional level. We need to tell them what's in it for them, why it's important, and make them feel inspired to achieve the goal. And lastly, we need to make them feel confident about their capability and the plans, because when people feel confident, that's going to help them deliver better results, because confident teams deliver better results. So if you want to make that move from a good manager to a great leader, then you've got to give up control, delegate that down to your teams. You've got to give up the need to be the hero, involve your teams, let them come up with the solutions. You don't need to do that. And then lastly, work with them on an emotional level. Create the emotional connection to you, the goals, to the initiatives you're working on, and then build their confidence, because when people feel confident, they're going to deliver better results. Thank you. And if you'd like to know more about going from being a good manager to a great leader, feel free to email me at gordon@gordontreadgold.com, and let's talk about how I can help you on that journey. Thank you.